It's kind of fed the hunger now because I feel like since I finished my course, I feel like there's something missing. The learning's created a real change for me because I've been able to look at my role, look at the job description, sit down with my employees, which is something I didn't have the confidence to do before, and be able to use what I've learned from the course and see about implementing more sort of project work with the team, particularly around data protection and best practices that we have for the team internally. The major benefit for me for choosing Avado was the fact that I didn't have to be, tied down to a classroom. I didn't have to be at a certain place for a certain time. That 100% flexibility that I took from it was probably the only reason why I succeeded. The platform it uses really invigorates the kind of learner in me, and I find that it's very specific to me and very relatable.